I am covered by some bushes here, but I need to be absolutely still here now. This is so nice. The light is perfect. I've been sitting here in the river for around half an hour now, just to scout and planning in my head what to do. So the plan is to photograph the dipper, the same place I was last year. And yeah, the water level has decreased a lot, but this time I want to do something different to get different kind of looks in the images. It's 2 hours before sunset. So my plan is to get some backlit images of the dipper. But yeah, I need to be smart and see where I need to position myself to see where there are a lot of droppings on the stones, where the bird is likely to use that type of stone in the area. I have found a stone and I want to levitate it, like building a little platform, and then put a stone on the top which is a little pointy, and a beautiful looking stone as well. So that is the plan now, and I hope that will the dipper will come and arrive. I brought my ghillie blanket, so I'm trying to lay as low as I can. The problem is that it's really hard to find a good place which is comfortable, but it is not at all. It's really like stony and lumpy and a little bit hard to find a good position. So I brought my tripod as well, and I'm going to try to put that tripod half in the water and half on the land, and I can only focus on keeping myself out of the water. Let's go and take my 500mm with me. Is actually landed almost beside the stone. I am covered by some bushes here, but I need to be absolutely still here now. I'm just waiting for it to disappear and hope it will come back. It's really hard to vlog here. I'm just laying here beside a hard stream of water, so hopefully you can hear what I say. But it's so hard to vlog here in this position. I'm laying in a really difficult spot, but I just had the dipper here. I freezed because I didn't want to scare it away. I wanted to be more relaxed and used to like this here. So I just need to wait now and see if it comes back. That will be really good. Beautiful weather. camouflage is really good, and because of the river making a lot of noise, it doesn't react to my voice. So hopefully you can hear what I say. I'm looking at it. Oh, I love the decor. I love it. And the reason why I chosen this like almost extreme place to lay on here is because I wanted to have the trees in the background there, because the background is lit by the sun, so I get a beautiful light on the background. This is so nice. The light is perfect. Oh. That was so good. In a split second it landed on that stone before it fly away, and I got some beautiful pictures of it in just so nice backlight. I hold my feet on another stone, so I don't fall in the water. But yeah, I don't care what it takes to like come down low here and get this beautiful shot. I'm so happy with. So I changed position now because I wanted a little different kind of picture. So now I'm using some stones in the foreground to get that blurry foreground to get a different kind of image. So if I'm lucky, it will land there. Sometimes getting the picture you wanted involves getting into the extreme. Now my body really hurts. Really nice mood in a picture when you get that backlight. This is really good. I'm so happy. I did get some of the images that I wanted to at the end with like the blurry foreground, but I still have I think I have something a little bit better, so hopefully next time I am going to improve that to get that picture I'm looking at in my head. So yeah, I had a great time. I hope you did too, and if you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you get notification every time I upload a new video. But until next time, I will see you. Bye.